they got to hire a very expensive counsel who spends all their time keeping track of all this stuff.
Rosa v. Garland out of the First Circuit, August 16th, also very interesting. And I just want to say I have no proof, but like a week and a half after I discussed Rosa, of course, the BIA issued a decision last week distinguishing Rosa, like not even in the First Circuit. They were on top of it. And I like to think maybe it's because they listen to my podcast. Now, I don't know. I have no proof. And of course, they can look at the circuits too, but who knows? They distinguished Rosa in the exact way that Rosa needs to be distinguished. And this case regards relying on police reports.
Well, you are the cliff notes for them, so if they don't feel like reading, they can listen to you. The cliff notes and all that.
I'm sure they read it. I just wonder if they, who knows? Yeah. But of an old decision called Matter of Araguin out of the BIA. This is about relying on police reports in the discretionary determination to grant or deny relief. Relying on police reports where there's no conviction, just police reports. And in Matter of Araguin, the BIA said in so many words that IJs may not give substantial weight to a police report in the absence of a conviction or corroborating evidence of the allegations contained therein. And that's what happened here. This was, I think the guy was accused of rape or something like rape. It was a terrible thing, like teenagers in high school and whatever.
Yeah.
Terrible if he's telling the truth, of course, terrible if she's telling the truth, just this whole thing. And, the case is still pending. Longtime lawful permanent resident, grew up in America. The case is still pending in criminal court, and immigration court pled the fifth, but his attorney said he didn't do it. And the police report, importantly, it's just allegations.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like there were many or any witness statements, no other corroborating evidence. And here is the First Circuit saying you can't, even under the BIA precedent, Matter of Araguin. So that's the out of First Circuit stuff. But the First Circuit says that it believes it's the rule in the 6th, 7th, and 4th Circuit as well, maybe even the 3rd and the 11th. So important across the board, can't just rely on an uncorroborated police report. Nor does the fact that the matter ends up getting prosecuted. That's not corroboration.
Yeah. That's
just they decided to prosecute. Now, don't get me wrong. If they decided not to prosecute, I'm going into immigration court and screaming that. So, total hypocrite. But the fact of prosecution doesn't itself establish corroboration. Now, just last week, the BIA distinguished this, or maybe 2 weeks, last week, and saying, well, in our case now, the police report had multiple victim statements and other corroboration, so we can rely on this police report, or the IJ can. So be careful.